If you found this website, then this is your lucky day. It means that you have a website and you're looking to boost profits and have more consistent sales. Maybe you've been struggling to get people to actually convert on your webpage. Perhaps you feel like you're spinning your wheels with getting traffic and seeing no results. Maybe you're frustrated with this endless cycle of wasting time, energy, and effort on traffic with the dismal results your site is producing. You see, here's the problem. Too many marketers focus solely on generating traffic. All too often they think that traffic is the end-all be-all to their internet marketing problem. But here's a little secret that most marketers still don't know. Traffic means nothing without conversions. You see, most marketers assume they can throw more traffic at a page that doesn't convert in order to boost their sales. This is not how you build a business. Most marketers are too lazy, misinformed, and suffering from info product ADD. I see it happen all the time. Marketers throwing good quality traffic at crappy converting pages. And then they blame their lack of sales on the traffic source. Perhaps you're one of them. Sadly, if you're watching this video, I bet you're letting sales and money slip through your fingers every single day. So the real question becomes, what can you do about it? For one, you can stop trying to reinvent the wheel and apply a proven system. A killer conversion system that's been proven to increase page conversions up to 350%. This conversion system consists of step-by-step instructions that will tell you exactly what to do and how to do it. You will get the exact conversion tactics that we use to achieve amazing results. These conversion tactics will have an immediate impact on your sales, and they'll work for any market, any niche that you can think of. This is a proven conversion formula that results in steady, consistent improvement. This isn't about generating new traffic. This is about optimizing your existing traffic. By leveraging this system, you'll be able to get more value out of less traffic, and this will allow you to finally take control of your business. You have to stop looking for the magic bullet. It just doesn't exist. So what's the key to really making it and increasing your conversions? Testing. By leveraging testing data correctly, a marketer can grow his business faster than he ever thought imaginable. Unfortunately, testing is a tedious process, and most marketers simply don't have the time. That's why with this system, 99% of the testing is done for you. You'll get handed to you on a silver platter the exact tweaks you can make to your sales page to boost your sales page conversions. You'll learn how to improve your sales funnel conversions. You'll learn exactly what to do to increase your squeeze page conversions. And we'll even show you how to optimize your affiliate campaigns to increase your affiliate commissions and conversions. What's that worth to you? What's it worth to save months and months of testing, not to mention thousands of dollars that you don't have to spend to get this data? There are some marketers that wouldn't even blink at spending $1,000 on this information, knowing that by leveraging it, they won't have to spend 3 times that amount on testing data. Good news is I'm not going to charge anywhere near $1,000. I'm not even going to charge $497 for this information. The price for this proven step-by-step system for insane conversion rates was initially going to be $297 one time. But after careful consideration, we decided not to charge anything close to that. Think about it. You either boost your conversion rate or you pay nothing. You have absolutely nothing to lose with my 100% money-back guarantee. How much will it cost you not to take advantage of this system? How many sales are you going to let slip through your fingers because your page can't convert? It's time to finally crank up your business and put it into gear. It's time. Click the order button and you'll get taken to a special page where you can download these videos right now. You cannot afford to put this off any longer. Go ahead and click the order button and I'll see you on the inside.